Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. Today, I am going to discuss a new topic, a new chapter, which is about Indian musician in GK. In the previous video, we had a discussion about motorsports, chess, and art around the world. In this video, I am going to tell you what kind of musicians we had in recent times, and how they became very famous. So let's start. First is given. Dash was the one of the most accomplished Indian classical musician, admired all over the world for his brilliant composition and mystery over sarod. Sarod is an instrument which is played by him, and he was all over famous. And his name was Ustad Ali Akbar Khan. He was the most sarod player of our India, most known person. Second is Dash was a legendary Krantic musician. Her rendering of bhajans was divine, and she used to enthrall and transfix listeners and transport them in a different world. And she was the first musician to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. So she was a legendary Krantic music. Krantic music in the sense that what they call it. It is called some type of उसको राग वाला जो बोलते हैं हिंदी. So that kind of she used to sang devotional songs, मीन्स भजन्स गाती थी वो, और उनके भजन्स में वो जादू था कि लोग उनकी भजन्स में खो जाते थे. And she was the first lady. She was the first musician who awarded Bharat Ratna. And her name, her name is Mrs. Shubha Lakshmi. And the third one. Dash was the popular musician of India who excelled in flexing the Western into Eastern music style. And he was born on 11th December 1942 at Almora in Uttarakhand. And he also happened to be the nephew of world famous sitarist Pandit Ravi Shankar. So he was also a very famous personality in the field of music. He was born in 11th December 1943 in Almora, Uttarakhand, and he was also a nephew of famous sitarist Pandit Ravi Shankar, and his name was Anand Shankar Roy. So he basically flexing the Western into Eastern music style, यानी कि Western music उन्होंने Eastern music में convert किया था. So he was also whatever you very well know that musicians are doing, taking from things from here and there, and they are mixing. So this kind of thing. Next is Dash is a world class musician of India right now, and born as a Dilip Kumar on 6th January 1967 at Chennai in Tamil Nadu, and he hold the credit for totally overhauling the style in which music was being made in India. You know very well the name of this famous person. No need to tell about more about this personality. He is a very well known personality, Mr. A.R. Rahman. He is also a Grammy Award winner as well as the Oscar winner for his background music for what the movie name was, Slumdog Millionaire. So not world knows about him. Next is Dash had acted in several Hindi films. However, his fabulous performance of ghazals won her laurels. Born on 7th October 1914 in the town of Faizabad in Uttar Pradesh, she was more popularly known as Akhtar Bai Faizabadi. We all know the name of her, Begum Akhtar, very famous. She was a artist who was worked in a very several Hindi movies, as well as she was a ghazal performer. and she was born in 7th October 1914 in Faizabad. So her name was Begum Akhtar. Next is Dash is only a son of noted music director in Bollywood, and his nickname was Panchamda, and he was married to Asa Bhosle. We well known about him. That person is very famous right now also. He is R.D. Varman. Right now he is no more. He was the husband of Asa Bhosle. Asa Bhosle is right now. And the important thing is right now we people are, listening the songs which are remixed right now. Remixed by the new artists. Those songs are, made by this person, R.D. Burman. Then the last one was born as Roshak Ara Khan in 1926 at Mehar in Madhya Pradesh, and she was the only female maestro of the Surbahar or bass sitar in the classical music game genre in India. And then her father Ustad Alauddin Khan was her guru. See, and her name was Annapurna Devi. She was born in a Muslim family in 1926, and that time her name was Roshan Ara Khan, and she was born in Madhya Pradesh, Mahar, and she was only a bass player. बास जो होता है वो बास प्लेयर थी, वो सितार प्लेयर दैट टाइम, एंड शी वॉज वेरी फेमस, एंड हर फादर वॉज हिज गुरु दैट टाइम, Ustad Alauddin Khan. So these, these the classical singers, everybody is related to, some single, you can say, some very strong, you can say, family background, those who related to music. Now, next one, no need to tell about, about the pictures and the people's name. They are Bollywood stars. No need to tell about more because you people are not knowing everything about them. So we will move further for brain teaser. Now, here has given some questions, and I will going to tell you the answers only right now. See, first question is 20 pigeons are sitting on the branch of a tree. A hunter shoot one pigeon off his gun. How many left on the tree? You know that जब एक गन लगेगी और जब एक pigeon को मारेगा तो बाकी सब क्या हो जाएंगे? Rest will flew simply. In which bank do fish keep their money? The river bank. Basic है. Next, which is the heavier? A ton of gold or ton of silver? Both are equal. Keep in mind. Next, how many seconds are there in a year? Answer will be 12. Keep in mind. Why it is against the law of a person living in Delhi to be buried in Indore? Why it is against? Keep it दिमाग लगा कि कोई अगर व्यक्ति जिंदा है दिल्ली में तो उसको हम इंदौर में क्यों नहीं गाड़ सकते? Because वो जिंदा है, he or she is alive, then how can we bury it? Next is how many month? Which month has 28 days? All the months have 28 days. Keep in mind. Next is what is the middle of China? You know that I. And when? Next is when was that Christmas and New Year was celebrated in the same year? Every year, New Year and the Christmas always celebrated the same year. Next, how many times can be subtract 10 from 100? Once time. Keep in mind. Next, before Mount Everest was discovered, which was the highest mountain of the world? No one except Mount Everest. Mount Everest will be the answer. 11th number. If while running on the race you pass the person of the second place, that would be still now at the second place. तुमने उसको एक बार पास कर दिया, वो सेकंड में चले गए तो वो सेकंड ही रहेगा ना, वो थोड़ी होगा. नेक्स्ट, what can run but walk, a month but never talks, has a basin but never washes, and has a bed of never sleeps, a river. कभी नदी कभी नहीं सोती है, वो हमेशा बहती रहती है. He always walk, he always talk. You know what? He always walk but never talks. Next is imagine you are smoking in a smoking boat around the shark. How will you survive? How will you survive? अगर shark ने घेर लिया, boat पे हो imagine कर रहे हो, then how will you survive? The basic thing is stop imagining. सोचना बंद करो. Next is Eskimos are very good hunters, but they are never hunt penguins. Why? Because Eskimos are living in North and they are you know what, they are founding in south. So north से south कैसे जाएंगे? Next is it goes in dry, it comes out wet, it longer isn't, the stronger I get. What is that? Tea bag. सूखा जाता है और गीला वापस आता है. Keep in mind. Next is the peacock is a bird that did not lay egg. How do baby peacock take birth? The simple thing is peacock never lay eggs. A peahen lay eggs. Last one. If an electric train is traveling through, in which direction will go smoke? अगर इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेन चलेगी तो उसमें से स्मोक कहाँ से निकलेगा? कीप इन माइंड देयर विल बी नो स्मोक इन अ इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेन. वो इलेक्ट्रिक स्मोक है. ओके, so there will be no smoke. It is a electric, you know what, train. Hope all of you enjoyed this session. We will next next session we will discuss about quiz on time and rest of all things. Bye bye, have a nice day.